Hello children, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and you have learned all the other videos before this video is coming, right? Now in this video we will understand associative properties for rational numbers, okay? Before that, which properties we have learned? We have learned closure property, we have learned commutative property, correct? Now we will learn the third and the last property of rational number, that is associative property. Now before learning associative property for rational numbers, we will understand the associative property of whole numbers, integers, and then we will go towards the rational numbers, okay? Now what is associative property? You have learnt commutative property. Only two numbers we were taking, correct, and then we were changing the order of that two numbers, and then we were seeing that whether LHS is equals to RHS or not. Now in associative property we will take three numbers, okay, any three numbers we will take, we will change the order of their, like if we are doing addition, if we are doing subtraction, if we are doing multiplication, division, these orders we will change. Now first we are doing the addition, okay. Now what is the sign of addition? It is plus, correct. Now we are doing the associative property for whole numbers. See, we have taken three numbers P, Q, R, okay. Any number you can take. We have taken here 3 as P, Q as 2 and R as 5, and we are performing the operation of addition. We will first solve this bracket, that is Q plus R, that is in the bracket. So that first we will solve. As you know, remember what is the BODMAS rule? In that B indicates the bracket. So we will solve first the bracket. Then it is on the RHS, it is Q plus R. So at the right hand side first we will solve Q plus R. So we will move towards the example. Example says P is 3, then Q and R, it is 2 plus 5. Here it is 3 plus 2 and then it is plus 5. So what we will do here? 2 plus 5, that is 7, and 3 we will write as it is. So 3 plus 7. On the right hand side we will solve first the bracket, that is 3 plus 2, that is equal to 5, plus 5. Answer is 10 is equals to 10. When LHS is equals to RHS, so the property is closed under this, otherwise it is not closed. Now moving to the subtraction. Instead of plus sign, everywhere we have kept the negative sign. So subtraction has the sign as negative. P here it is 8, Q here it is 10, and R we have taken as 2. Same way here P is 8, Q is 10, R is 2. First we will solve the bracket, okay. So and the LHS, the bracket it is Q minus R, that is 10 minus 2. What is the answer? It is 8. First 8 we will keep as it is, then subtraction sign, then solved term of the bracket. 8 minus 8, answer is 0. Here it is 8 minus 10, answer is minus 2. Then minus 2 will come from the above and we will solve this. Minus 2 it is, we will get the answer negative, minus minus plus. So answer it is minus 4. 0 and minus 4, they are not equal. So it will be not closed under this subtraction. Now coming to the multiplication, what is the sign of multiplication? It is this cross one, right? P into bracket, then Q into R, then is equals to P into Q, then bracket closed into R. So we will solve one example. P is 3, Q is 5, R is 2. Same way here we have kept 3 and 5 into bracket and into R, that is outside of the bracket. First step it is to solve the brackets. So here 5 into 2, that is 10, 3 comes as it is. Then 3 into 5, that is 15, and 2 comes as it is. Then we will solve 3 into 10, 30, 15 into 10 is also 30. LHS is equals to RHS, so it is confirmed that in multiplication it is closed. Now coming to division. Now instead of multiplication sign we will go to the division sign. So division sign is like this way, right? So P division, Q division R. Now Q and divided with R, they are in the bracket. So first step is to solve the bracket. Same way P and Q, they are in the bracket. So first step will be to solve the brackets and R is outside. whenever division is there, what we will do here, we will first divide 8 divided by 2, that is 4, and 16 as it is. Here 16 divided by 8, answer is 2, and 2 is as it is. Then we will divide the next 16 divided by 4, answer is 4, and 2 divided by 2, it is 1. These are not equal to, so it is not closed under the division. So we have learned associative property of whole numbers. Okay children, now we will move forward to associative properties of integers. Now when we are doing this, we want the answer as integers. If we are getting the answer as rational number, then also it is not closed under. Okay children. Now first it is addition. So integers, what is the first step? This, that we will take 3 numbers, we will keep 2 numbers into the bracket, and on the right hand side we will take the another 2 numbers in the bracket. Okay children. Now we will take first example of addition. Here it is P as minus 6, Q as minus 4, R as minus 5. So first step it is to solve this bracket and then to solve the another one. Answer of this, it is minus 15. Now coming to the right hand side, minus 6 and minus 4, answer is minus 10, and minus 5, then answer is minus 15. LHS is equals to RHS, so this property is closed under addition. Correct? Now coming to subtraction. Subtraction, instead of addition sign, what it will come? Subtraction sign. Okay. So first step is to solve the bracket. Here we have taken the numbers 5, 7 and 3. 5, 7, 3. First we have to solve this bracket. 7 minus 3 is what? 4. 5 minus 4 is 1. Same way 5 minus 7 is what? Minus 2, and then minus 3. Minus 2 minus 3 is, answer will be minus 5. 1 and minus 5, they are not equal. So hence the subtraction is not closed for integers. Now multiplication. Now instead of addition and subtraction sign, we will keep the multiplication sign. Here we have taken the numbers P as minus 4, Q as minus 8, R as minus 5. So first step is to solve this bracket. Minus 8 and minus 5, answer will be positive. Okay. 8 minus 5, it is 8 minus 5, it is 40. Okay. And minus 4 into plus 40, it is minus 160. Okay. Now next, here we will solve first minus 4 and minus 8. 8 4s are 32. Minus minus gets plus. So answer is plus 32 into minus 5. Answer is minus 160. Here equal to sign and equal here LHS and RHS both are equal. Minus 160 and minus 160. So multiplication is closed under this property. Next, division sign. So P, Q and R, we will take that numbers and we will divide them. Here we have taken P as minus 10, Q as minus 2 and R as minus 5. First we will solve the bracket. Now minus 10 and 2, it is answer minus 5, and minus 5 comes down, answer it is plus 1. Let's see. See, minus 5 upon minus 5. 5 get cancelled, minus minus also get cancelled, so answer is 1. Now same way here. First we will solve this bracket. 2 upon minus 5. So we will write it as it is. Okay, now if we want to remove this division sign, what we will keep? Multiplication sign, and we will interchange the numerator and the denominator. So here answer is 2 upon minus 5. If we do the multiplication, it will be minus 5 upon 2. Then 2 1s are and 2 5s are. So answer is here minus 5 into minus 5. Answer is plus 25. 1 and 25, they are not equal. So it will not consider as equal. So division is not closed under this property. Now in the next video, you will understand the associative property for rational numbers. Thank you.